Hey guys, for all the details on this Kinky Straight headband unit from LuvMe Hair, make sure to keep watching.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into another unit from LuvMe Hair. Now, this review is going to be like a full circle moment for me. Pop quiz. Can any of you out there guess the very first unit that I reviewed for LuvMe Hair? And this was back in December of 2020. You guessed correctly, a Kinky Straight headband wig, and that is the unit that we are going to be reviewing today. So LuvMe Hair has re-released their Kinky Straight headband wig. So I really love that LuvMe Hair has been giving us some alternatives to lace. So the lace closures, the lace frontals. So we have half wigs now, and we have the headband wigs coming back. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So they sent me over this 20-inch headband wig. So you all know the construction on a headband wig. We have this black attached headband, and we have a comb right here in the middle. We have some combs on the side. We have a comb right here in the back, and also we have the elastic band. Now this is different because, okay, so LuvMe Hair has made some upgrades. So we have the drawstring right here in the back. And then instead of like the Velcro closing for the headband piece, it's just like the elastic band on the inside of a unit. So yes, you can adjust it. You can take this off if you wanted to. So this is nice. This is nice. They have made some upgrades. Love that. So this is in the color natural black, 20 inches long. Let me actually get you the rest of the specs and then also show you everything that came in the box with it. So before we get into the specs of this unit, I do want to say that I am doing a giveaway in honor of this little throwback moment here. So I am giving away one of these Kinky Straight headband wigs. So if you are interested, if you would like to win, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and whoever gets the most likes on their comments is going to win a headband wig straight from LuvMe Hair. So they are going to send it directly to you. So send your friends, send your family members to this video to like your comment so that you can be that winner of this headband wig. Also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, but let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit. So here's the unit on their website. So it is their LuvMe 2 Easy Texture Wig, Kinky Straight, Flexi-Fit Drawstring, Glueless headband wig, and it does include some trendy headbands, so we'll get to that in just a moment. So they do have Kinky Straight, Yaki Straights. I might have to get my hands on a Yaki Straight headband wig, but Kinky Straight, Yaki Straight, and Water Wave. They have lengths ranging from 16 inches all the way up to 26 inches. So again, this one is 20 inches. Price is $164.90, which is pretty affordable. And you know, I have you covered with the promo code SNH28, gets you 28% off of that. It's 180% density. Yes, it is glueless, medium cap size, 100% human hair. Color is a natural black. It's a headband unit, so there is no lace. So I did not co-wash this unit. I did not dye this unit or anything. So we're just going to be installing this pretty much just straight out of the box. So it's not going to match my hair color completely because my hair is jet black and this is a natural black. It actually looks, yeah, it looks a little bit off, but we're going to work it out. All right, so everything that came in the box, let's take a look. So we have, of course, the letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox to love and shine bright. We also have a pack of headbands, drawstring bag to store our units, LuvMe Hair edge brush, LuvMe Hair rat tooth comb, a wig box label, a LuvMe Hair purple clip, a pack of HD wig caps, and a thank you card. So first things first, with a headband wig, you're gonna want to brush your hair back or comb it back into a low ponytail. You can also braid your hair down if you don't want like your edges or anything exposed. And the great thing about headband wigs is it's great for those who have alopecia or hair loss, like around their edges or just anywhere on your hair, really, because it just disguises absolutely everything. You do not have to show your edges. So I'm just putting my hair just in a small ponytail with just like a little black elastic band, and I'm going to take just a regular wig cap. Doesn't have to be a HD wig cap or anything. And I'm just going to put this right on, tucking that ponytail under, sliding it back just a little bit because I will be wearing this with my edges out. All right, now as far as the unit, I really love that this unit does not have that elastic Velcro in the back, because that was just so annoying, to be honest with you. That was very annoying on these headband wigs. I am going to first start by putting this front comb in the front of my hair, and then also installing these little side combs as well. Now this is a little different than the previous construction, but we are going to see how we can get this unit on, because it is very different. Okay, so the first comb is right there in the middle. And then I pulled the elastic band around the back of my hair here. Okay, so now I'm going to pull the rest of the unit down and install these side combs. So let me locate those. Okay, so side combs here, side comb, and it really falls like behind my ear. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that. Okay, so now we have the side combs in. We can adjust this headband just a little bit. Okay. All right, so now in the back, I'm going to pull the unit down, install this back comb in the back of my hair. Now here is where you can pull on this elastic, this drawstring, lock it into place, and everything is laying nice and flat. I'm going to tuck this string just right here on the side of the unit. Get in there. Okay. All right, so a little different than the construction of the previous half wigs or headband wigs that they had, but here we are. Here we are. So this is the natural texture. So yes, if you do wash this unit, this is what the texture is going to be after it dries. So this is just it in its natural state. So I'm going to turn around so I can show you what this looks like all around. And again, this is 20 inches long. All right, so side, back, side again, and front. All right, so again, natural state, very fluffy. Let me get a little closer so you can see. So this is what the hairline looks like if you do want your edges exposed. Now, if you do not want your edges exposed, just pull it a little further up. You don't have to install those combs or anything, but pull it further up and then just have that headband like cover your edges. But here is the texture in its natural state. Okay, so I am actually going to run the flat iron over it just so that we can see it just a little bit more tamed, but the texture is absolutely gorgeous. It is very soft. I'm not getting any kind of tangling or snagging or shedding or anything, but let's go ahead and flat iron this. All right, guys, so I went ahead and flat ironed one side of my hair. So as you can see, one side is smooth and the other is in the natural texture. Now my entire head is flat ironed, so I want to turn around so I can show you all angles and what it looks like from behind. Also want to note that I did go ahead and put on this blue headband that came along with the unit. It's so crazy because it matches my outfit perfectly. All right, guys, so here is the hair after just running the flat iron over it. Now you want to be mindful of how much heat and how often you put heat onto a Kinky Straight unit. You don't want to ruin the texture. As you can see, it kind of loosened up just a little bit. However, be mindful of the temperature that you put it on and how often you are applying heat. You don't want to put heat on a Kinky Straight unit every single day because it's just going to loosen up that texture and it won't have the ripples anymore and it will not be a Kinky Straight texture anymore. So just take it easy with the heat. But yeah, this is just with the flat iron ran over it. I am going to throw in some loose curls so that you can see that as well. Now with Kinky Straight units, it really doesn't hold curls for a long amount of time. That's just in my personal opinion. But I will go ahead and throw some curls in for you so you can see what that looks like, and then we'll go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. All right, so I went ahead and curled the hair and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it just to kind of loosen it up and blend it together. Now as you can see, Kinky Straight really does not hold a curl for very long. Now this side actually looks really good. I kind of think this side, my curling iron wasn't warmed up all the way, but this is what it's gonna fall to anyway. So yeah, so I kind of want to just go ahead and provide you with my pros and cons at this point. So pro number one for me is the texture of this unit. This Kinky Straight texture, it is very, very soft, very buttery. I feel like this texture is a little bit softer than the original Kinky Straight headband unit that LuvMe Hair had. So no tangling, no snagging, no shedding. So yes, so this is what it's going to fall to. This is the side that I curled first and this is the side that I curled last. As far as the rest of my pros and cons, now the construction of this unit is a little different than the original headband unit, and I really love the new construction. The addition of the drawstring in the back is amazing. We don't have that bulkage of the headband with the Velcro in the back, so everything is laying really nice and flat and secure back here in the back. Now I really wish these combs here on the side, they're like right behind my ear, I wish they were a little bit closer to the front of my head. But that's just a personal preference. I really like the construction of this unit. Now it is going to take me a little bit of getting used to with installing this unit since it is so much different than the regular original headband wigs. But I love the construction. I love the construction. So I'm going to turn around so you can see how flat it lays in the back, even though I have my hair just like pulled back in a ponytail, and the density of this hair, the texture of this hair really disguises that in the back anyway. But here is the back. So as you can see, you really cannot notice any bulkage there in the back. And then up underneath, all we have is just this little headband. So we don't have the connection of Velcro here in the back or anything like that. So really nice. I'm trying to think if there's any other, well, everything about this is positive because it is a throw on and go type unit. It is a protective style. Anytime that I have like my hair braided up for like wig installs, I always like tend to gravitate to headband units just to like grab and go when I'm grabbing my daughter, taking her to school or something, because you can just throw it on. Again, you do not have to expose your edges or your hairline. You can pull the unit up so it pretty much just covers your hairline with that black headband that's attached. So it really makes it easy if you just want to, you know, go through the summer with your hair braided up underneath and just rock headband units all summer long. That is completely an option, just a protective style. So your hair is growing and flourishing underneath, and it's stylish as well because you can switch out these headbands to different ones. I have so many headbands, it is freaking ridiculous. But it also came with this yellow and kind of gray headband, which is also super cute. But I like this blue one with the outfit that I am wearing. So I don't think there's any negatives on this unit. I do want to remind you again of the Mother's Day giveaway. So again, how to enter to win yourself a Kinky Straight headband unit is you need to leave a comment on this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Send all your friends and family to view this video and to like your comment. The person with the most likes on their comment is going to win their own personal Kinky Straight headband unit directly from LuvMe Hair. They will contact you and send it directly to you, and I will make sure that that happens. So I think that concludes this video. The unit is amazing. It is completely nostalgic for me because this is the very first unit that I ever reviewed for LuvMe Hair. I've been rocking with them since 2020 and we've been riding since the wheels fell off. So yeah, that concludes everything that I have to say. I'm going to put everything down in the description box, so make sure to check that out for a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this specific unit. Of course, my promo code is SNH28, gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend. Happy Mother's Day, and I will see you all next time.